Here's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene. This C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. It's well equipped with the features you need. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Embrace Connect remote engine start smart device, dual zone climate control, external memory control, power tilting steering column, push button start, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com notes its meticulous construction and engineering, refined ride and handling. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,